Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Diana here. Hey, I am out here today at my flower bed. Today's April the 2nd. It looks a hot mess. This right here is, I believe, some type of a Japanese snowflower right there. I planted it last month, so I'm hoping that it comes back to life. I got to get these weeds out of here. I have mullein that a bird or a rabbit or something deposited here. They also call this nature's toilet paper because it is so soft. I mean, very soft. Then we have, I believe that's a white iris that came back. Back here are hollyhocks. And as you guys can see, check the leaves out. You see them leaves? I don't know if it's focusing. Those leaves back there, I Googled it and it says it's rust. I didn't know hollyhocks get rust, so I'm going to have to get my copper fungicide out here and spray those. This plant here I had planted next to my pond, which got full sun. And I didn't even read the thing here where it says part sun. I've had this plant now for 3 years and it hasn't bloomed since I planted it. And I believe because I had it in full sun. So I planted it over here because this is part shade. And I want to see if it does anything this year. Hopefully it does. More hollyhocks. Over here I got some elephant ears. Some Gladys. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right either. Gladys bulbs. I'm not sure what this right here is, but it's supposed to be some kind of pretty purple or blue flower. We'll see come spring. Hopefully it'll bloom. Well, it is spring. Hopefully it'll do something this year. I don't know. But today I am going to clean out the flower bed. And I got these, well, my hubby got these for me from, I think, Dollar General or Family Dollar. And I believe they were $2 a box. So I want to put these and spread them all. I want to spread this stuff all out here in my flower bed and see if it works. So today is April the 2nd. And I'm also going to spread all of this stuff out here too. My friend Homestead here on YouTube, she sent me these here, some kind of milkweed. So I'm going to go ahead and plant that, which it probably won't do nothing this year because it needs stratification. So hopefully next year I'll get something out of those. And I'm going to go ahead and spread all this right here all over here. So hopefully the next time I come back to you guys, we'll see what has grew over here. All right, so I have gotten most of all the weeds up. I don't know what this here is. It could be something, a flower, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. And now I'm just going to rake this up to get the soil ready for the seeds. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this stuff all around in here. See what she do. You guys, so I have got it all sprinkled about. We'll go ahead and rake it on in. And like I said, this is April the 2nd. I'm gonna probably come back to you guys maybe May or June. And we're going to see what this here is looking like. Bang! Okay, you guys, so I am back. Today is June the 27th. And here is how the flower bed is looking. What you guys think? Check out the mullein. It is so sunny out here this morning. But that mullein took off, you guys. So, came out here in April. And I planted, or I scattered a bunch of Dollar General or Family Dollar seed boxes. Because I got tired of pulling weeds out here. And here is how it's looking. What, April, May, June, 2 months later. Check this beauty out. She's already bloomed. I don't know if you guys can recognize it, but this was in my first video. So, if you ask me, it needed more boxes. Because there's still lots and lots of weeds in here. Practically all the hollyhocks that were back here have died. You can see a few of them tried to do something for me. Those were the double hollyhocks, and the fungus completely killed them. This right here, it did bloom for me, you guys. So it did have something to do with being out in that full sun. These have to be in partial shade. It did bloom. I had some beautiful purple flowers. Got a pink bachelor button right here. She's a beaut. But this is how she's looking. I mean, I like it, but I feel like it's still lots of weeds in here. So next year, I'm probably going to double up on the seeds. And I hardly see any of the zinnias that I planted. Here's my dahlias. They've all been taking a beating out here from this hot heat we've been having. In the hundreds. So, but I can't believe how big that hollyhock is. I mean, not hollyhock, mullein. Sucker's huge. So what you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Would you guys buy the Dollar General Wildflower seed boxes? And look at my poor honeyberry, you guys. I'm gonna have to dig it up. I think it might have caught a disease out here, so I'm going to have to move it. Now the other one over here looks fine. You can see that one up in there. That one looks good. Beautiful. Yeah, I like it. It just needs to be more fuller. So I hope you guys learned a little something from this video today. I believe the boxes do work. You just got to put more out and consistently water every day. That's what I did. I came out here every morning and watered this stuff. So I just want to say thank you all so much for watching and your time and support. I greatly appreciate you all. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.